Hey guys, I'm gonna take you on a walkthrough of our room at Lemala Mpingo Ridge. Here we are. We are at room number 7. Just show you a little bit of the surroundings. When you enter the room, you have a sitting area. Your shelves are to the right, your mini fridge and safe. Here's the bedroom. King size bed, and it says karibu, which means welcome in Swahili. Beautiful wooden floors, sitting area, bathroom, double vanity, double sink, toilet, indoor shower, gorgeous bathtub with a view, some nice robes. Here you have the outdoor shower, right? Outdoor shower with this magnificent view. And then from there, look, you can have coffee out here in the morning. Or just have like a really beautiful sitting area. Or have another bath out here. So you've got an indoor bath, an outdoor bath. And this is overlooking the Tarangire National Park. From here, this is where the sun sets. And on the other side, it is where sun rises. We entered the park this morning, or rather this afternoon. And immediately from the gate, we saw zebras, elephants, giraffe, impalas, warthogs, what else? Wildebeest. So gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I'm entering the room again. It's a beautiful property. The staff is amazing. And I'll tell you more about it. Okay, here's a little note that says, welcome to our little piece of paradise. We hope that you will bring back lasting memories of your stay with us. Best bush love, Mpingo Ridge team. Thank you, Lemala.